Hey guys, today is actually a Bitcoin pizza day. Why is it a Bitcoin pizza day? Well, on the same date, आज के दिन ही 10,000 Bitcoins were sold only for two pizzas were sold for 10,000 Bitcoin. 10,000 Bitcoin देके दो पिज्जा लिया गया था आज के दिन. Today is that biggest day and the craziest day in the world the people are celebrating. So Bitcoin Pizza Day celebrating the pizzas bought for 10,000 BTC. This is an old news, but there are a lot of tweets going around on social media, especially on Twitter. So एक Twitter handle है जिसका नाम है Crypto Trade Talks, and they are giving away free pizza provided you answer a question. And the question is this: that how would Charlie Lee react when he sees the Litecoin price has moved to $5,000, which is right now what? $134. So if the price of the Litecoin goes from $134 to $5,000, what would Satoshi Light, which is Charlie Lee, would do? And this is a quite practical question because everybody wish I was the seller of those two pizzas and I would have got those 10,000 BTC. Because if you do some calculation today, okay, 10,000 BTCs, and let's calculate only today's price. Let's not calculate the all-time high, which is 19,000. Let's calculate 8,000. Okay, so 10,000 Bitcoins traded for two pizzas. Into $8,000. That is dollar. Okay, are you serious? Are you serious? No, there's something wrong here. There's something wrong here. So $8,000 into 10,000 Bitcoins. 10,000 Bitcoins, like really a lot. 10,000 Bitcoins into $8,000. I'm wasting a lot of time on calculation, but that's cool. 80 million US dollar, guys. 80 million US dollar is what that pizza was worth it. Hope nobody ever makes this mistake ever, and that is why people are holding it. So one of the story that I came across today is one of the guy who is right. This is the price chart, by the way. So Bitcoin, all the way in 2010 it was about a few cents, and then look at the chart here, $1. So this became $1 for the first time on 2011 February 7, and then that was a $1 just about 7 years back. It was $1, and then you move this you'll find this on the CoinDesk, by the way. आपको CoinDesk पे मिल जाएगा ये चार्ट. coindesk.com पे जाइए, वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. Look at this, so this was the highest, $230, then it dropped again. Can you see the volatility is what I was actually looking at? But of course today it's worth a lot. So this is the tweet. If you want to follow on Crypto Trade Talks, giving away free pizzas. Answer the question: how would Charlie Lee feel once he finds out that the Litecoin price has gone to 5,000, because Charlie Lee has sold all his Litecoin. He did not hodl. And there's another story about the hodling. So there is this guy in US somewhere who is sleeping in his car and working two jobs, and he's gone all his cryptos. The reason he doesn't want to live in a house, because he wants to save all those money and invest into cryptocurrency. How crazy is that? And so you will see these kind of craziness into cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, simply because of the history of Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin coming all the way from $1 to like all the way to $8,000. It's a historic, and that is what makes people crazy. So this is the story. Now one guy actually commented, how fucking retarded you brainlet are, where you think that crypto will make you rich. money was made and you missed the train. Good luck waking up with 30 and being broke. Of course there are people, and this is gonna be risky, guys. This is definitely risky. Cryptos are the future for sure, but to do something like this is definitely very crazy. But you never know. This guy can be extremely rich and will never be broke again, or it could also happen that he could lose it all. So he's taken that risk. I hope he knows he's taken this risk. One of the very funny thing that I actually found about his portfolio, so he's been investing into coins which have hardly any demand, which is quite funny. So he's been investing into, so there were few names that I found here which are not Bitcoin and Litecoin. Right, look at this. Canadians currently pinning his hopes on Coloscut, Fund Request, Policipal and Dado. And so there was somebody on Reddit who said that cheered you on the first thread, but you did not realize you would be bullying. I did not realize that you are buying shit coins. I thought you would be putting your savings in Ethereum and chill. So he is actually putting in shitcoin. That's really bad to know. I mean, he is giving all his, everything for crypto, and he is then buying shitcoin. I mean, why would you want to do that? Now, the last one I want to share is Canadian regulators has warned investors of 5 cryptocurrencies firms. So what are these cryptocurrency firms? Basically, these are cryptocurrency firms called as Bitrail, Hypercube Ventures, and Cabin Coin. So what exactly they have done is these companies are actually offering some fixed return to the investors. So they can give their Bitcoin in the name of bot trading, like how Bitconnect used to do, in the name of mining, like how many mining companies in India used to do. So basically these companies, in fact, why should there be even a warning? I mean, Canadian regulators should immediately shut these companies down if possible, because honestly they are running a Ponzi scheme. They are running some securities, they are offering some fixed return, and of course we have seen a lot of cases in India also. India में बहुत सारे cases आए जहाँ पे fixed income, fixed investment का मिला है. So obviously this is all Ponzi scheme, multi-layer platform, both fiat and cryptocurrencies, and these are the companies which should definitely be shut down before they actually spoil the whole cryptocurrency space. So, but let me know what you think about the crypto trade offer. Just you have to tweet and win some pizza. And what do you think about the Bitcoin pizza day? Thank you so much for watching. Would love to hear your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next time.